One side beautiful, other side all hyacinth. Check out the fantastic road. We missed a major turn. Went almost maybe more than 20 kilometers the wrong way towards Alefata. Then obviously we took our own time to turn around and do some more photos and stuff, and now Google is taking us through this what seems like a bypass, really bad road, and then there are these dirt sections in between. Thank God it's not the rainy season. This would have been nightmarish. Those guys are in the front. I'm riding slow because Melvin is riding slower. He's behind me, so I'm just keeping a tab on him. But yeah, wow, this trip has been amazeballs so far. See how far I was. So these guys are going slower. Okay. What happened? What happened? अच्छा, मुझे लगा कुछ हो गया गाड़ी को. चलो. अरे इसमें भी what I've done is I've stiffened the suspension by 2 settings. Suspension को 2 सेटिंग से हार्ड किया है, तो मस्त फट के बैठ रहा पीछे. चलो, लेट्स गो. नाही एवढं नाही. हाँ. Check this road out. I guess this is it. Ganesh Khind, ladies and gentlemen. पुढे घे. थोडं पुढे घे. थांबव इकडे. Way. Wow. I really want to go down to the other side now. माझा तो मस्त ॲस मसाज झाला. I was thinking साइडलिंग करेंगे, but then gravel था साइडलिंग. हाँ ग्रेवल में गिर गए तो
Hey, what's up guys? How is everyone doing? We finally made it to Ganesh Khind behind, and these are all the boys. Say hello guys.
Hey. Hello.
And where is the vlogger? Vlogger किधर गया? अरे हाँ वो दिख रहा ही नहीं. That's Melvin. What's your channel name?
Crazy boy.
Crazy boy.
Crazy boy.
तुझं चॅनलचं नाव बदलायला लागेल त्याच्यामुळे. So we had a lot of issues coming here, starting with Hari's issue. I think I'll need 5 minutes to explain what all happened. So finally we've made it. Aman's bike had issues, Hari had issues, I had forgotten my wallet. We got lost. We went almost 40 kilometers extra thanks to this guy thinking he knows the road, and but the roads have been fantastic except this last patch from Junnar to Ganesh Khind is pure off-road, which no one warned us about. So that's it. We did some drone shots as well, so I'm gonna play that and maybe get some footage from Melvin as well, and subscribe to his channel, subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next vlog. Phantom Rides out.
Slow down.
दिसलं का सगळं मस्त आहे जिफ मस्त आहे जिफ चला